exceptional money making signs on the Mount of Mercury. There are lots of very good signs that can come in the Mount of Mercury and that can say many good things about your life, overall success. Because Mercury is responsible for our communication skill, for our impressive quality, for our speaking power, how we can grow in our business, in our career. Suppose you are doing a business, so you need a good communication skill to improve your business also, because if you are unable to convince people to sell the product or to make understand regarding the product, then people will not convince to take the product, right, whether the product is good or not. So in the same way, you need to have very good communication skill. At the same time, in your job, suppose if you are not doing good or you are doing good, suppose you are making a presentation in the meeting, then you need to have a very good presentation. Whether your presentation skill is good or not, but if you have a very good communication, then people will understand it very clearly, okay, these are the things that you want to discuss. In the similar way, to grow in our life, to have a tremendous success, tremendous money in our life, it is very important that our market is stronger. So I am going to discuss in this video regarding that signs, what is a unique money making sign that can be present in your hand. Hopefully that will be there. Om Ganeshaya Namah, Om Bhagwan Shri Satyasvabha Namah, Om Suryaya Namah, Om Shanishraya Namah. Viewers, welcome to my YouTube family. My name is Astroja Dr. Sai Subhajit. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then I would request you to subscribe it, like it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you always get the future notification of my videos. Now, as I have mentioned regarding the exceptional money sign, right, exceptional money making sign, it's not a simple thing to say, okay. First of all, you have to understand that whether you have a triangle like formation or not in the Mount of Mercury. Triangle is a money making sign in most of the mount, but in the Mount of Mercury is a very auspicious. Most beneficial sign in the Mount of Mercury is the triangle. If you have a triangle in your hand in the Mount of Mercury, then it will never, a situation will come to go back and will have a lack of money in your life, or lack of success in the business will never happen. It will always be a very, very, very beneficial and very smart, talented and intelligent sign, where all your independent personality is responsible for your success, and you will be a very, very unique personality, and you are very talented. I can guarantee you, you are a very smart and talented and intelligent person if you have the triangle on the Mount of Mercury. This is the one thing. And also, in many politician hands, this type of triangle is there, because they need to impress the audience, right? If they impress the audience, then only they will get the vote. So generally, whenever the triangle is there, it doesn't mean that you will do the business. You will also be a very powerful speaker, powerful orator, powerful writer to impact a large mass of people. So that is also there. So you will always be a beneficial sign that can be there in your hand whenever the triangle is there. It is very, very positive. Another unique sign is the star. Generally, star is very unique sign and always gives a little slow result in the Mount of Sun, in the Mount of Jupiter, but not in the case of in the Mount of Mercury, because Mercury means very fast result, because Mercury also is a very fast moving planet in the universe, in the horoscope, right? As you know, in the universe also Mercury moves very fast. So in the similar way, Mercury gives very fast result. It gives a very good name and fame, very good success overall in the life. Also gives a very good success from foreign country, that is very much possible. People will inspire because of your words. You can also be an inspirational speaker, motivational speaker. You will have a very high weight of your speech, of your communication, of your talent, of your knowledge. So that is very, very good if the star sign is there on the Mount of Mercury. So this is the second sign. Now this is also another sign. This is a God gifted sign along with the star. Star is also a God gifted sign, and also this is a vertical lines. These vertical lines means that you have a own talent. God has given you the special talent to you to grow in your life. Something inbuilt is there. Suppose in our mobile there are lots of inbuilt features are there, right, where we never use. In the same way, these are the signs, these are the symbols and signs that can be there in your hand for the money making. It's very good and it's a gift of God. You should utilize that, because whenever this is that, that means that you have an excellent quality of good communication, and you can be a very good in your management, in your finance, in your business, in your career. Also, this is also a healing qualities, healing sign. It is most of in the hands of doctors, surgeons, suppose in terms of healers, this type of signs are also present, because they heal people with their words, with their own experience. You will also have a talent to heal people in some way, whether through the words, whether through money, whether through helping people. There can be many instances, there can be many ways. So that is very, very good whenever this type of vertical lines are there. There are some few signs which is not good actually. Suppose the mole like structure in the mount of Mercury is not good, that always that gives a little bit of disturbances, loss of money, some trustworthy problem will be there, some people will cheat you, or there will also be a loss of business, uncertain loss of business because of a certain decision. So there are lots of things that is not good. Along with the island, so you also need to check either island is there or not. Island is not a good sign also in the mount of Mercury. Actually, island in most of the mount is not good, but mostly in the Mercury mount is also not good, because it can also give you legal problems, a very bad loss in your market, in your business, and also loss of money, and also people will cheat and betray you because of something. So that is also possible. So it's not good. Along with that, if you have a griddle like structure, then it will disturb your mind. You will also have fickle minded. You will not be able to take decision fruitfully, logically, wisely. There are lots of disturbances will come, and your most of the decision will be failure. So that can also be possible. But don't worry that if you have some negative lines along with the positive signs, you also need to check the prominency of the Mercury mount. That is also very important. If the mount is prominent, then although the negative sign is there, then also you will be able to recover that. So there are lots of things that can happen. So these are the things that I want to discuss along with the last sign. Actually, this is not a sign, but I want to discuss it because it's one of my favorite line that I always feel happy to discuss. This is the hepatical line, right? Hepatical line or the Mercury line. Whenever the hepatical or Mercury line is there, that means that you will always do very good in your business. Along with the sun line should be prominent. You should not forget the sun line. If you are confused to choose your direction or choose your career in your life, you should be very much sure that if you have the Mercury line here, that means that you will do very good in your business without any doubt. Irrespective of the business, what type of business you are doing, you should check that as per the mount, whether that is favorable or not. That is also very important. Along with that, if you have this line, then there's nothing to worry, because it will give you very good success in your life. And also, whenever this type of line is there, that means that you are born to be a business leader, born to be an entrepreneur in your life. So that is also very unique and very good, unique personality that you can develop in your life. So these are the signs that I want to discuss. What type of profession you are doing, and if you have related signs in your hand, please comment in the inbox, so that I always get a motivation and also can make and improve the video as per your comments also. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and you will share and like with your friends and families. If you want a paid consultation from me, then you are always welcome to contact me. Contact details are given in the description box. If you have any doubts, just let me know. And also I have a request for you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe it, like it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you always get the future notification of my videos. Stay happy, stay fit. Thank you.